Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. Okay, you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. Here is my WhatsApp number. Okay. So these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart um, before you follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 5 minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. And just where we have seen it, this had been on uptrend for a very long time. For some days right now, it has been on uptrend, and of course, it has got into this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above it, we are most likely to have a downtrend right from there. Okay, but if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. So this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is when it's going to sell. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, this is GainX 999. This had been on downtrend for days also. It has gotten to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there. Trying to go back on uptrend. I actually put out this signal in the Telegram channel, and of course, it has achieved the first TP already. And of course, it is still going to give us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out. This is Paynex 1200. Is another signal I dish out in the morning, okay, in the Telegram channel, and it has cleared all the TPs already. That's so amazing. So this has been buying for long, and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, if it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone, then it's going to go back on downtrend. But for now, it is still buying. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, this is Paynex 999, and of course, this had been on uptrend for a while. But after getting to this resistance zone, it has not been able to break out above it. So it started a downtrend and sold for a while, okay, and this is still selling for long for now, except if it's unable to break out below this support zone. That is when it will buy. Okay, so for now, this is still selling until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, the final asset is going to be FX volume 80. It had been on uptrend for a very long time, but it got to this resistance and was unable to break out above it. So it's going back on downtrend at the moment. So we expect more selling opportunity right from here. Okay, although it is pulling back at the moment, once it is done with the pullback, it will sell more. But if it breaks out above this resistance zone, it will buy more. Okay, we should watch out for that, but I expect more selling than buying. Okay, it might not be immediately, but it should sell, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone. That is when it will buy more. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Watch out for my next video. Then God bless.